You know what smart investors are doing right now? They are completely ditching manual research. Seriously, they're using AI to make lightning fast, highly profitable decisions. So let's jump right into this quick explainer on the absolute best AI tools to give you that investing edge right now. Look, first, we gotta talk about the problem, right? The stock market moves incredibly fast. And honestly, the sheer volume of charts, endless news cycles, and raw data, it leaves most beginners completely paralyzed, just totally frozen. Okay, let's dive into this. Tool number one, ChatGPT. Think of this as your rapid-fire financial tutor. It instantly translates all that confusing jargon, ETFs, and dense market news into simple, plain English. Seriously, it's literally like having a Wall Street expert right there in your pocket. Next up is AI market analysis. We have got to stop drowning in numbers. These tools automatically summarize broad market trends, track your stocks for you, and basically simplify complex data that would normally take humans, hours and hours to decode. All right, tool number three, AI news summarizers. Instead of wasting your entire morning trying to read hundreds of articles, AI instantly condenses an absolute mountain of financial news into just a few crucial, actionable bullet points. It's a total game changer. But hey, it's not just about the research, right? It's about execution. So, tool four is AI productivity. By letting AI organize your notes, manage your watch lists, and track your goals, you're going to save hours of busy work. Plus, it keeps your strategy perfectly aligned. And all of this brings us to the ultimate mindset shift. Most people out there, they invest emotionally. They're just guessing based on panic or whatever the latest hype is. But smart money stays calm. They rely on objective AI data and established systems to make truly calculated moves. So just remember this quote from Investro Co. The future of investing belongs to people who learn AI early. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna keep guessing emotionally, or will you use AI to actually build wealth? Follow Investro Co. for more smart money secrets, and definitely start using these tools today.